Hello, I'm back with a new book that I just made. It's just a simple one, and it's made out of envelopes and stationery. And the stationery came with the envelopes, but it's two different sets. So here we go. I'm going to show you all of this. So let me get it all in the screen real good. Okay. So on the front you see the tassel. I made the tassel a long time ago. I just used my leftover clothing that I don't want anymore or that is messed up. And I make those tassels, and I made my own button probably a year ago more, and I attached that. It's made out of book pages, and then the front is protected with Mod Podge, and it has these time stickers and just a little book page there, or dictionary. And I put this little envelope and another sticker inside. Oh, I also put a little jewel. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there's the jewel. And I closed it up with this pen so you can get into it easy. And there's a little card inside you can write on. Then I punched some holes with a hole punch on each side, and attached it with a ribbon of lace, dyed lace. And there's the inside. I attached these cute bullpens with buttons and a little flower and a little handmade ribbon flower that I made a while back. You open it up and you can see where when I sprayed it, it went through the little cutout and made a pretty rose there. And I've sprayed the whole thing with this spray here I made with some ink that I had and some water. And so it's all got this another little flower on it here where I sprayed. And there's trim here. Then it's got this piece of green fabric from a sample. And I lined it here with some different trims and a button. And this is one of the envelopes from my store. You can get a template for. I have like I think 3 different small envelopes. And it came with a little paper that you can put inside. I just wrinkled it and distressed it with some ink. Tim Holtz Distressing Inks. And then here I used a paint chip thing and I decorated it with that, and with this flower I decorated on a paper clip, one on the front, one on the back. It adds to the look. But to do that, all you have to do is get you like a piece of cardboard or something like that. And then put the hot glue down on one side and put your thing on. But you don't want to do it without something between, or you'll have a problem attaching or using your clip. So now it takes a little doing, but you can open it and put it on carefully. But I really don't want to move it. I mean, I'll take it off and on all the time anyway, so that's fine. This I put on, and it came from the Dollar Tree. It's like a rub-on. I love those things, so I'll be looking for those. Those are so fun to use to me. I'm gonna put some more of the rub-on here and here. Here's a little pocket, and every pocket has some tea-dyed paper that you can write on. Lots of writing space. And this pulls up, you can write under that. It's a little secret writing space with some sequins and some dyed ribbon and more of those rub-on designs. I'm thinking I might need to put not this one but the other one I go over it with it so that it won't rub off. I'm kind of afraid that it will rub off. Just top it off while I'm thinking about it. I always think about something when I'm showing off my books on YouTube. It's like, oh, I need to do that. So sorry about that. It just happens. Okay, up at the top here is another paper clip, and with part of the fabric that I used on the spine of the book. That would look neat. And up here at the top is another dictionary page, and I used a hole punch and made the little circle designs. Here is another one of the time stickers that I had somebody gave me, and I made a little belly band. I could only really, I mean, it works, but I'm afraid it'll fall off, so I used this little pin and pinned it together. There's a secret writing spot here, and then this, I don't believe opens, but it opens here, and it has stop worrying on the tab that I made to go pull out the paper with. You can still use your paper. Right up to this is an eco-dyed print that I had for a while back I never used. I just love how these turned out. These are actually dried out leaves. Usually you do eco-dyeing with the leaves that are not dried out. But I used some nice brown dried out leaves and it turned out so good. I think I will do that again sometime. And just pops back in. Get the paper on the wrong side. And it pops right in there, and then you can just pull it out. Then I use some of the circles from the whole bunch and added them to there. And this is just a piece of cloth that I dyed. And some more of that trim. And here's another piece of paper, more eco dyeing, and a different lined paper. That is the last page. And you just close it. And it has these tabs that came with the stickers. I did have to glue them on. They did not want to stay with the sticky that they came with. And I'm just gonna say that's all, folks. And I hope you enjoyed this little book, and you can see how easy it was to make, and you could try something like this yourself. And I will try to leave a link to my little envelopes. I might leave several links because I think I have 3 or 4 different small envelopes, maybe more. I like making envelope templates. But anyway, I have envelope templates and envelopes that are colored, I think, if I'm thinking right. I make so much stuff. I try to make one every day. But anyway, I'll put down some envelope stuff for you down below in the description. So take a look if you want to get some for yourself. You can use these doublets over and over. And printouts, that's what I love about printouts. If you don't have enough, you just go back, find your file, and print it out again, and you'll have some more. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.